In this video, we're going to demonstrate the installation of the two front wheels on your power bike. After the box has been opened, you'll see that the wheels are generally located underneath the bike frame. What you'll need is a wrench to remove the nut on each axle, as these nuts are nylon threaded, and we do put a little bit of extra powder coating on there to help secure them of any vibrations when you're actually riding your bike. After the nuts have been removed, you can take either wheel and place it on either axle. As you can see, I'm doing this by myself, but it is a little easier if you have someone helping you. After both wheels are on, take the two nuts that you took off and secure them back onto the axle. You want to make sure you do not over tighten the nuts up so they're tight against the wheel. You'll probably want to leave about a 1/16 of an inch, which will help the longevity of the bearings in the two front wheels. After your two front wheels are on, it's time to get out and enjoy.